To make a monkey stick puppet, you'll need construction paper, glue, scissors, crayons, a dowel, and today we're going to use tape. To start with, we want to draw the monkey on the construction paper. To start with, the body is just a large circle, or maybe more like a large U with an open part at the top. The head is an oval with an upside down U at the top. Now we want to give our monkey a nice big smile, a little nose, some eyes, and some eyeballs. And these ears are like C shapes. Put a little line in them. Then color in the eyes. The size of the monkey depends on the size of the construction paper. For this monkey, I'm using construction paper that is 9 inches by 12 inches. The next step is to draw the hands and the feet. The hands and the feet of a monkey are just alike. So you want to trace over your hand. When you get to the bottom, you want to close this in. You want to cut out 4 of these. For the arms and legs, I'm going to cut out a strip of paper the lengthwise, so it will be 12 inches. And we want to fold this like a fan. First, you start by folding it over, and then back, then over, all the way, just like you would fold a fan. Until you get to the very end. When you have 4 of them done, you're ready to glue them to the body. If you wanted to, you could tape them. Now, the next thing is to glue the hands and the feet. And the last thing is the stick. When you put the stick behind the monkey, you want to be sure that you put it up to the top of the head so that the monkey's head doesn't flop when you're using your puppet. Usually I would glue it, but to be faster today, I'm going to tape it. If you don't have a dowel, you could use a twig off of a tree. And there is our monkey puppet.